Hi friends, today we will see about the surgical anatomy of penis. It is a very important topic for university exams as well as for NEET PG. So let's move to the surgical anatomy. Penis is a male reproductive organ which is composed of three tubular structures. So it has three tubular structures. The first one is a pair of corpus cavernosum, or in plural we can say corpora cavernosa, and the next one is corpus spongiosum. The corpora cavernosa is a tubular structure which is opposed to each other and it is anchored posteriorly to pubic ramus. The corpus spongiosum is a tubular structure which contains the urethra and it expands distally to form the famous structure called glans penis. So, this is in general about the tubular structures, and the two corpora cavernosa is lined by a band of connective tissue known as tunica albuginea. The tunica albuginea also forms a septum between the two corpus cavernosum. The tunica albuginea has the erectile tissue. It encloses the erectile tissue itself, and the erectile tissue has a trabecular structure with network of sinusoidal spaces lined by endothelium, within which the blood pools during erection. So this is about the tunica albuginea. So next is the blood supply. The central blood supply of the penis is by central penile artery. Central penile artery is a branch of internal pudendal artery. So now let's talk about three important terms which is oftenly asked in examinations. First is erection. Erection is a function of parasympathetic nervous system mediated by pelvic splanchnic nerve. So let's see in brief about the mechanism of erection. Erection occurs when there is a smooth muscle dilatation occurring. Muscle dilatation is in turn mediated by nitric oxide. Um, okay, in turn mediated by nitric oxide, and this happens when there is an increased cyclic GMP. So, as a result, there will be vasodilatation and erection. So, next is about how vasoconstriction occurs. Vasoconstriction occurs through smooth muscle contraction, which is mediated by norepinephrine. Now let's see in brief about the mechanism of sildenafil. Sildenafil, it is a PDE5, phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor. The function of phosphodiesterase 5 is to break the cyclic GMP. So let's see here. So as a result, there will be sustained vasodilatation. So next is emission. Emission means the movement of fluid from prostate and seminal vesicle into the urethra, mediated by sympathetic nervous system. Erection was mediated by parasympathetic nervous system, whereas emission is mediated by sympathetic nervous system. And the main nerve which is responsible here is hypogastric nerve. There it was, pelvic splanchnic nerve. Next is ejaculation. Ejaculation is the expulsion of semen from urethra. It is maintained by somatic nerves. Somatic nerves, and the main one is pudendal nerve. So let's give a quick recap. Corpora cavernosa, corpus spongiosum, tunica albuginea. It encloses the erectile tissue, which has a trabecular structure with there is a trabecular structure with network of sinusoidal space lined by endothelium, and this sinusoidal space का purpose ये है कि blood pools there during erection. The major blood supply of a penis is from central penile artery, which is a branch of internal pudendal artery. So there are three terms: erection, parasympathetic nervous system, pelvic splanchnic nerve. mediated by nitric oxide, cyclic GMP, sildenafil. Emission is maintained by sympathetic nervous system, hypogastric nerve. Ejaculation is maintained by somatic nerves, mainly pudendal nerve. Thank you.